Hello, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle. Today I'm going to take you on a little visual tour of a Harris Crowne. This is a 2020 model. We've got it rigged with a 400 Mercury on the back. Going to give you a quick little tour of the cockpit here. Lots of seating, flip-flop seat. Gorgeous color. This is a kind of a little bit of a cream color or an off-white with the deep kind of a dark majestic blue. You can see how the couches are laid out. Forward lounge, fold down armrests, beautiful quilting on the furniture, stainless steel gates. This model has a double bimini, so we've got the forward bimini and the tower. The tower actually has a sunroof in it, basically. So it's a smoked glass roof. I'm going to pan up so you can see that. That's awesome. It does cover with the bimini as well. Then there's a rear bimini. It extends back. You can see it there in the background. But when it's deployed, it covers quite a bit of the cabin here area. So here's the captain's seat. Really comfortable helm chair here at the helm. Got this model rigged up with twin Simrads. So we've got a 5-inch Simrad and a 9-inch Simrad. We've got a JL stereo system on this guy. Really gorgeous tilt wheel. Also here at the helm is our digital throttle and shift. So DTS throttle gives you dock mode, as well as we also have active trim from Mercury in that, so that handles the trim functions for you. So I'll go back towards the back of the boat here. We've got it back to back with our twin Grand Mariner, so it looks like a whole lot of Mercuries in the picture there. There is. But this one's got the 400 Verado on it. You can see that. I'll get you a picture of the numbers there on the back. And you can see back here, the lounge flip forward. You have plenty of space to lounge out, relax. Really big rear deck back here. Big stainless ladder to crawl down. Got a nice stainless fence around the back of this. You also have the flip down swim seat here on the side, so you can flip that down into the water. You swim up, sit there, relax a little bit, swim some more, or climb out. Lots of cup holders throughout this boat. I can see 6 right now, just from where I'm standing. 7, 8. You know, they just keep on going up. Lots of cup holders. Give you one more quick tour here. Giant ski locker in the floor there. It's a gorgeous boat. I'll step back out, give you a little bit of a panoramic view here. Let you see the whole layout. Again, I hope you enjoyed the quick tour of our Crowne. This is again the 2020 Harris 250 Crowne with the 400 Mercury on it. Come by and see us here at MarineMax in Dallas, or catch us on the web at marinemax.com. Thank you. Have a great day.